G'day, Aaron Boost Doc. Let's have a look at the AN heater hose kit. This is the R33, R34 kit. I'm going to turn all these parts into the kit, and while I'm making it, we'll have a discussion about how to fit particularly these parts into the vehicle. These go in under the dash, so you've got to take the glove box out. The AC unit has to come out, which means you need to responsibly degas the unit. All that box in underneath on the passenger side underneath the dash needs to come out. The heater core assembly is the whole unit, is mounted on 3 screws, one down low near the carpet, one up high on the passenger side, and there's one on the driver's side way up above the clutch pedal. It's right up near the top of the dash. So they're made because all the vehicles are stamped bodies, allows for little movements in the stamping, so every car's slightly different in size, so that allows the box to move around. Sometimes you need to do that so these poke out the rubber seals just in the right way. Anyway, we'll get to now and start making this kit. Righto, so let's do an assembly and get him ready for the box. So I'll just put the banjo bolts in the fittings. This is how I send them. I roughly assemble this. This fitting, this is the back of the block. So when this is installed, this is the back of the block, and it bends around the back of the engine, and this is the top hose for the heater outlet core. The second hose goes underneath, goes around the back of the head, and goes all the way to the front of the block, where this gets inserted. And the banjos will bolt on through that, through the firewall. Job done. Now put them together. Can't kink these. You can bend them quite tightly, but if you bend and kink it on the inside, it's like the plastic garden hose, the black stuff. If you kink it, it's stuffed. So don't kink it. They don't like it. It will eventually leak. It'll fatigue fail. Everyone gets a sticker. Everyone loves a shop sticker. Ready to ship, ready for a customer to install on an R33, R34.